The girlies have been tussling online about the makeup no makeup look, so I'm about to show you how to do your own makeup if you do not want to book a makeup artist and you want to do a makeup no makeup look. So let's get into it. So first you're gonna need a moisturizer, and I like this moisturizer from Bioma. In order to have your makeup coming out super flawless, you have to make sure you moisturize your face. So next, you want to go in with a good primer, and I'm going to use this primer from Maybelline. This is their grippy primer. This primer is going to help with my makeup, make it come out flawless, make sure any texture that's on my face is smoothed out, and this is going to protect my skin from the makeup. So next, you want to make sure that your primer is dried down on your face. You can even fan your face just to make sure that it is nice and dry, because you don't want to go on top with wet products. So make sure everything is dried down, set, and ready for foundation. So I'm going to use a lightweight foundation stick, and this is the one from Essence Beauty, and this is in the shade 230. These foundations are very affordable. I believe they're like $4 or $5 at Ulta Beauty. So make sure you get your hands on one of these foundation sticks. And this is very similar to the Fenty Beauty foundation stick, but it's just very affordable. So it's like the dupe for the Fenty Beauty foundation stick. So I'm going in with this Essence foundation stick. So with the foundation stick, I'm really just gonna apply it to the perimeter of my face, just like the outside of my face, like that. Not too much, because this is supposed to be a makeup, no makeup look. So basically, like you don't have any makeup on. So we're gonna do light layers. And then I'm gonna move on to my concealer. I'm gonna go in with this concealer from Juvia's Place. This is in the shade 10. I'm almost out of this concealer. This is my favorite concealer from Juvia's Place. I need to get me a new one because I have to literally scrape the bottle in order to get the product out. So this concealer is closer to my skin tone, so I'm gonna go in with this and just apply it under my eye. I'm gonna apply a little bit right here, a little bit on my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. I kind of want my under eye brightened just a little bit, so I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way concealer, and this is in the shade 10. And this is an optional step. You could use one concealer, two concealers, it's really up to you. I just want a bright under eye, just a little bit. I'm also gonna go in with this contour stick from Morphe. This is in the shade Sudden Heat. I just wanna add some warmth to my face and just make my features stand out a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with this, and I'm gonna do a little bit on my nose because I want my nose to be contoured. And this is optional, it's really up to you. I think I'm gonna put a little bit on my forehead. Yep, just like that. And then I'm really just gonna start blending out that foundation. Just blend out the foundation. I'm using a foundation brush from Morphe. I love their products. So I'm really just gonna start blending out that foundation first. Make sure you get your neck. And then now I'm just gonna blend out the contour. Make sure I blend upwards. Any places that you missed, just go over with your foundation brush and blend everything together. And make sure I get my nose, blend that in to my brows. I purposely left my under eyes just to get like a little more coverage from the concealer, and I'm really just gonna start blending out that concealer. And I'm gonna start out with the edges and just make sure everything is nice and blended. and then work my way to this brighter shade and blend that out. And same thing on this side. It should be super easy to blend out this concealer because I really only went in with a small amount of product, not too much. Now I'm gonna go in and set my concealer, and I'm using the translucent setting powder from Laura Mercier. This is my go-to girly for translucent setting powder. She is literally that girl. Run to the store and get your hands on Laura Mercier, okay? Period. So before I set my under eye with the powder, I wanna make sure everything is blended so that I do not set any creases, especially under my eye. So go back in with the brush, and I like to use a brush, one of these brushes from Real Technique. And I like to use one of these brushes to blend out my concealer. So make sure I tap, 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 and make sure everything is blended before I go in with setting powder. So now I'm gonna take one of these powder puffs and go in and set my under eye. Make sure I get an even amount and then go in and set my under eye. And really, I'm gonna go in everywhere I put my concealer, go in with the powder. So now I'm gonna go in with some bronzer to set everywhere I applied that contour. And I'm using the bronzer from NYX, and this is Butter Match. And I'm just gonna go in with some of that bronzer and make sure to be careful with this product because it's very pigmented and a little goes a long way. So you really just need a small amount and apply it everywhere you applied that contour because you want to make sure that you add a little warmth to your face and just enhance some of your features in your face, like your cheekbones, forehead. I like to do my chin. Yes. And then my nose. Not too much. Now, if you like blush, now is the time to go in with your blush. And I'm gonna go in with the blush from NYX. This is my Butter Half. So I'm gonna go in with a small amount of blush. You can go in with liquid blush before you go in with powder, but I ended up skipping the liquid blush step because I just did not want to do too much. I want to do light layers, a small makeup, no makeup look. So we ain't even gonna do too much. If I was doing a full face of makeup, then I would go in with liquid and then set it with powder. So I'm gonna go in with some of this blush, just a small amount, and add it on my cheeks. Not too much, not too much. Hey, see, it's really that simple. Okay, so, see, as y'all can see, it's looking real cute already. Like, I ain't even really did nothing. I ain't even really did too much. But, so now is the time to do your brows. I'm gonna use this pomade from, who is this from? Morphe. I'm gonna go in with some Morphe pomade and do my brows. I'm just gonna clean my brows up a little bit with that same concealer I went in with, which is the Juvia's Place. And take some of that concealer and apply it on my lids. Now you can go back in with some of that bronzer. Go back in with some of that bronzer. This is optional and you could just apply some of that on your lids. Now this is optional. You can go in and clean up everything. Make sure that the foundation you put over here is set. So go in with a small amount of powder and just apply that on the sides of your face. So now you can go in with some mascara, and I'm gonna use the one from Maybelline. So I added my mascara, and now I'm gonna finish up the look by doing my lip combo. I'm gonna take this lip pencil from NYX and line my lips with this lip liner. Now I'm going in with the NYX Butter Gloss. This is Spiked Toffee. And now I'm gonna take the shade Fortune Cookie and add that right on top, just to add a little bit brighter color. I'm gonna take this NYX Jumbo Pencil in my waterline, just because I like to add a little black in my waterline. Hey. Now it's optional if you wanna add lashes or not. I don't know if I wanna add lashes. I think I'm gonna add some lashes. Definitely gotta do my lashes. I'm gonna use a small, very small lash. Hey, so now I got my lashes on and we're pretty much done with the look. We're just gonna go in with some setting spray. And this is the one from LA Girl. This is similar to the powder melt spray from One Size. And this was the dupe for the powder melt setting spray from One Size. So we're gonna go in with that. Just set all the powders and set everything. And then if you want your makeup to last all night, you can go in with a second setting spray. This one from L'Oreal is gonna have your makeup lasting like 2 days. So I think I'm gonna go on with some of this. So this next step is very optional, but I'm gonna go in with some highlight. I cannot live without highlight. I'm just gonna apply some to my nose, right here. I like to add some on the bridge right there. Just a little bit on my brow bone, just to make it pop. Make it pop. And that is how you do your own makeup, no makeup look. Super cute, super easy. Very lightweight, like not even doing too much. This is not a full glam. This is more like a soft glam, very natural. You don't have to use lashes, but you can. And yeah, slayed per usual. You already know what's going on. If you like the tips that I gave you, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to join the Slay Squad, because we be slaying over here, okay? Period. Hey, stay tuned for the next video.